Did you know gardening can improve your mental health? This humble pastime, often overlooked, is a treasure trove of benefits. It's a natural stress reliever, a source of physical activity, and a way to connect with nature. Gardening, it turns out, is more than just a hobby. It's a powerful tool for mental wellness. But how does gardening contribute to our mental health? Well, the science explains it beautifully. Gardening helps reduce stress by promoting a calming mind state. It boosts our mood through the release of endorphins, and the tangible results of our work foster a rewarding sense of accomplishment. The science is clear. Gardening has real, measurable benefits for our mental health. So, how can you harness the power of gardening for your mental health? Well, start by choosing to grow plants that lift your spirits. It could be colorful flowers or herbs with soothing scents. Commit to spending a few minutes every day in your green space, tending to your plants. Let this be your haven of calm. Use this time to practice mindfulness, focusing on the textures, colors, and scents around you. Remember, the key is to find joy in the process, not just the outcome. Now that you know the benefits, it's time to get your hands dirty. Embark on this therapeutic journey with nothing more than a pot, some soil, and your favorite plant seeds. Remember, gardening isn't about the size of your space, but the joy it brings. You don't need a sprawling backyard or high-end tools, just a corner that catches sunlight and a desire to nurture life. So why not give it a try? Gardening could be the key to a happier, healthier mind. Before you go, one last thing. If you found value in this video, remember to hit that like button. And to keep getting content like this, do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Now go out there and start gardening for your mental health.